You can go ahead and ask me any of your questions. I'll just answer them. I'm just doing my own shit. But this is again another AMA. Just trying to get things rolling. Anyways, for you guys, just keep at it. I mean, any questions, drop it in. We're good to go. I'm just going to go through my NVIDIA earnings reviews. Well, guys, you can ask me anything you want. I'm game, otherwise, I'm just going to continue doing what I'm doing. You guys can chill in the background. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join in. It's going to be a chill day. We're good. It's NVIDIA earnings. I think they're going to bomb out of the park. So that's going to be fun, guys. Anyways, try keeping me distracted as much as you can. Let's see how that goes. All right, with your questions. Could be anything, markets, not markets, whatever. Go ahead, subscribe. Make sure to comment. I'm going to put on a poll in 30 seconds. Make sure you guys join into that poll as well. This is fun. Go ahead, subscribe, guys. Come on. Bring in your questions. Let's see what you got. Okay, there you go. Another 10 seconds and we should see the poll. Gonna be fun. Let's see, let's see, let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Hit the poll. Let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, I want to know what happens with the NVIDIA earnings. That's gonna be fun. Anyways, that's all from me. You guys go ahead. Try distracting me if you can. I'm gonna just do my shit. Ah. Hello. How's it going, guys? How's it going? How do I say your name? Raif Puhu? Is that what it is? Okay, nice to see you, bro. Glad you joined the live. First comment. You get a few minutes from me. Go ahead. Ask me something. Ask me a question. Ask me anything. All right. It's just a reason for me not to work. So go ahead. It's kind of fun. Ah, you're the man, bro. Whatever part of the world you are, all the best and best of luck. And I hope I can help you someday in whatever questions you have. But join in. Anything related to stocks, anything you want to know, go ahead. Give it a me. This is fun for me. You're a champ, bro. An absolute champ. Go ahead and vote. I want to know what you're I'm going to view on the vote. You know what's the funniest part in this world? Is joining building WhatsApp groups. It's insane, right? Oh, you're Indonesian. Nice. I love the place. I'm currently in Bali as well, so it's pretty cool. But it's really hot though. Mm, That's true. Anyways, you're like a local. You're like a homie for me, bro. I don't know. Are you able to hear me clearly? Just let me know if you can hear me. The audio is good and everything's good. I just want to know, like, from a comment if everything's good. If you can see everything, you can hear everything. And if you can't as well, just drop in a message. I'll be glad if you can. And don't forget to vote. I'm waiting for the vote. Keep those questions coming. How else am I going to get distracted otherwise? I need to still finish a few things that I'm supposed to be doing. So, anyways, oh, they pulled it out. Sorry. There's one that side. I don't know. You can go inside and just plug it in there. Hmm. Let's see what's going to happen. Yes. Brother, I'm in so many countries in 1 year. I don't even know what place I'm from now. But at the moment, I'm Indonesian because I'm in Indonesia. So I'm just like you. What part of Indonesia are you from? Okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Enjoy. Thanks for coming in. Come in next time as well. I'll give you a shout out next time as well. First guy to comment, right? I'll not forget that. Oops. Yo, yo. How's it going, bro? Make sure to comment Deekshant, please. Uh, no, sorry. Don't comment. I meant give your view on the poll. I'm trying to see what happens about the poll. I want to know what people are thinking. And then I'm going to take the reverse and trade. And then let's see if I lose money or make money. Yeah, we'll put in a few $1,000. Let's see what happens. Let's see. See, there you go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, everyone's on the moon. Maybe I'll just short the living daylights out of it. Let's see. I still got time. Let's see what the poll goes up to. Let's see what happens. I don't want to lose money. That's the only thing. And Diksha, if you're able to hear me clearly, just drop in saying the audio is good and the video is good. You're back. Hello, hello. See, I told you when you come back, I'll say hi to you. Now, if you keep doing this every hour, I'm not going to keep saying hi to you. But nice to see you back. That's good. Let me just do one of the things. So Box came out with its earnings. I think free market it's up about, I have no clue what, but let me check. 11.35%. Good numbers, good earnings. Something for me to speak about. Maybe tomorrow's live as well. Do I speak Indonesian? No. I know a few words like Anjay, but that's about it, bro. Hmm. Okay. Go ahead. You can ask me any of your questions when it comes to markets or whatever it is that you want to talk about. I'm game. I'm just gonna do some of my stuff. Hmm. Fascinating. So the Chinese market did fall. No bad. Sounds good. Looks perfect. That's what she said. But yeah, thank you for that. Buddy, that is something I can't. Trust me. But yeah, that's nice that the it sounds good and everything's cool. Speak Indonesian, Indonesian. All right. Yeah. Let me see if he gives me a few words to speak. Maybe I'll try saying that. Because I have no fucking clue what those words are. But be that as it may, till the time it's not an abuse, I'm okay saying it. And it's not a racist rant, right? That's the only thing I don't want. Uh, but yeah, so they got $1 billion revenue and they got a $5 billion market cap. Fascinating. Or sub 5 billion, I think 4.5, $4.6 billion market cap. So they traded about 4 times, 4.5 times sales. I need to go and read the earnings report. That's the important thing. Yeah, same here, bro. I got to go study as well. That is my life and your life. So we got Nike done. We got Lemonade done. Take care, brother. See you soon. Join in for the call tomorrow morning if possible. That should be fun. Okay. Okay, my aim is to not get distracted, and I'm already failing at that. So let me try. Let me give it another shot. See, the only thing I'm allowed to say is to subscribe, comment, and hit on that poll. Rest, unless you guys have a stock question, I ain't answering. That kind of a day. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I can say hi. So, yo, what's up? Or maybe I'll just type the next time. My bad. Oh, you like the song? Huh, nice. I can't tell them not to chase the song. Enjoy it. What song is it? Eh, nice, you can hear it. Pretty cool. Shana, make sure to subscribe and go ahead and give me that poll. I want to know who's going to win because we already got like what 75% on the moon to win. But yeah, go ahead, do that. Subscribe, comment, whatever. You already commented, so just subscribe and put in that poll. Polling is more important. That's my fun thing to do. Let me see what they're expecting for the earnings. Though. I know the implied move that I did check was about what was 6%, 5%, 8.4%. And on an average, the actual earning move is about 7.7. So, yeah, the 8% move on Nvidia. Let's see. Maybe I'll take that trade. Who knows? One more word for the moon machine. I don't think people are even considering the fact that this could be maybe a topping scenario. Prices go low. Yeah, not bad. So 4 out of 5 people still think it's gonna go up. Incredible. Damn, you got a pretty cool name, bro. You. There's a pineapple and my board. I like the name, bro. Good stuff. Did you come up with it? I'm guessing you did. I'm pretty sure you came up with it. Let me know. Don't be shy. Did you? Damn, I'm kind of waiting for your comment just to see if that's what you named yourself. Nice name though. Anyways. Hmm. What else is happening? The 10-year bond yield has picked up just by 10 basis points. Nothing to that. I think 6,500. My bet. Think we might see 5750 on the S&P, but not 5,500. That might be another 7%, 6.5 to 7% drop. Don't think that's gonna come through. Still think 6,500 seems more likely the case. I'm guessing 6,500. My bets would be on 6,500. I think once we take out the all-time high at 6,140, it will be 6,500 pretty soon. Yeah, always welcome, bro. Always. Do we have any news coming out today? Mm, sure. Can you check? Okay, we got the minutes coming at 4 p.m. That'll be fine. Hmm, nice. So let's just make sure to like subscribe and comment on the poll because that's important. And just hit whatever you like on the poll. I want to know what happens at the end of all of this. So do those three things for me. Subscribe, comment with the best stock in your portfolio, and be a part of the poll. I think Nvidia is still winning on the moon machine as of now. 80% wins. Oh, yeah. Okay. Six sports. 83% for Nvidia. Hmm. I think a lot of people still believe that it's going to head higher. Remember, we still got the China tariff issues. Let's see. Fun. I think I'm going to most likely play this one out. I don't think I'm going to. I still do believe that they might have a better outlook, especially because of the entire sovereign wealth fund buying of the NVIDIA chips. So I do still think the stock would head higher, but I'm not really that sure at this moment. You could have some surprise because of the Chinese issue as well. So keep that in mind. I would rather just stay out of it. I just want to see what the world actually thinks, and I think far too many people are bullish about it, which makes me stay on the sides. That's just something that I'm looking at this moment. What's the other one? Tariffs are not over. We got China, EU, rest of the world, and semiconductors, pharma, and auto tariff spending. Yes. So what you're saying is right. What I'm not sure about is how much he will go through with it. So that could be some form of an issue. And mm, that being said, I'm not sure how many people would come into terms with the fact that we could have all this tariff thing going on all over again. And I don't think the market's going to react as bearish as it did already in the previous April 2nd moment. I don't think we're going to have that kind of a momentum. Sovereign wealth funds, are they buying chips directly? Yes. So Qataris, UAE, Saudi Arabia, they're buying chips directly through Nvidia. They're going to set up their own AI data centers as well. So that's another thing that is currently going on as well. So that could be bullish because I mean they got more money than God at this moment, so they can keep buying. So yeah, thanks for the questions, guys. Yes, it does, and I'm pretty sure they get a better price. They got a better deal considering Jensen was able to go in with, especially President Trump itself. So he's able to get maybe the most fair deal that he imagines and get it at one of the best prices that he could as well. So I don't think so. Thank you so much. Thank you. Uh, Trying to de-risk if the S&P 500 if it's 6,100. Mm, You know what? Maybe not at 6,100. If we actually do break all-time highs, we would break a lot higher, maybe 62, 6,300. At that point, it would make sense to get in some form of protection. Maybe buy VIX calls, maybe reduce your position, something. And always remember, cash is also a position, right? So maybe that 6,100. The closer we get to an all-time high, we're most likely breaking, going way higher. I mean, that way there's a lot of money to be made still, right? You could go up maybe 3-4% on the S&P, but stocks could be up 10%. Okay, let me see what's next. Makes sense. Part of the very long-term play of diversifying away from oil, I guess. Yes, absolutely. And I think the next entire story when it comes to AI is going to be who can buy the most amount of chips and build the data centers faster. And you know, they have a lot of money as well when it comes to investing in startups. So especially with OpenAI as well, they're able to do it. So pretty sure that it's a win-win for them. So I mean, I'm on both sides when it comes to Nvidia. I'm looking at a scenario where it could do well. It might even drop if the outlook's not that. It's not going to be a current quarter earnings game. It's going to be next quarter or the few quarters ahead in the outlook game. So it's what Jensen says that matters more than anything. If I had to take a position now that I think about it, I might be bullish just because of the fact that we are still away from the all-time highs. And I think it could head back to 150, $160. I think it can go there, especially if the S&P does break into an all-time high. You will need Nvidia, and Nvidia is about a 6% weighting on the S&P as well. So keep that in mind. Just food for thought. Right? If I was making a bet, I would be long Nvidia. I'll be buying calls for sure. And maybe I will. Who knows? Right. Still a lot of time. I change my mind when it comes to the markets. I'm open to changing my mind. So, and you need to be that way if you want to make money. Books you would recommend. Let me actually type this out because a lot of people will not be able to get it. But read this one if you can. Not sure if you can get it. It's not very easy to find, but it's a good book. It's about a fund manager called Anthony Bolton based in UK that was running Fidelity's UK division. And he's kind of a contrarian as well, or more like one, but very sharp guy. He, even though he's hung up his boots and his jacket, he was able to clearly come out and say that in the start of this year that America is the overvalued play and China is the better play. And he's been right about that because the markets in China have rewarded investors more than the markets in America. Just keep that in mind. I mean, he is a guy with a great amount of pedigree. That's a good book. There was another book that I had with me. Let me see. It should be in my Amazon. Hmm. Yeah, but try getting hold of this. I mean, if I get that book, then I'll just drop it in and put it onto the comments as well, so all of you can see it as well. Just make sure all of you subscribe and go ahead and put in that poll because I want to see what happens to that poll. We already got 6 votes and more missions on the way. So yeah, we're at about 83. So keep that in mind. I want to know what happens with NVIDIA. Let's see what everybody thinks is going to happen. That's going to be fun. Uh, anyways, so go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, do all of the other nonsense that's required, but subscribe for sure. And yeah, one of those, it's called Investing with Anthony Bolton. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can get the hold of a book that I just bought. Um, for anyone that's into tech and would like an approach on tech investing, let me just drop that down as well. It's called Nothing But Net by Mark Mahaney. Great book. Great book to find companies that consistently grow and are within the tech space. And again, Mark Mahaney is not someone who's new. He's a guy who's been with Evercore ISI for about 25 years and above. He's the longest serving IT analyst on Wall Street. So keep that in mind, guys. And just food for thought. Read these books, understand them, make it a part of your investing. You're good to go. Hmm. I'm just currently reading an earnings call of a company, just trying to see how it works out for this company. Yeah, we still have our live tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. or 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Sorry. Yeah, I'll put that out so you guys can go ahead and I'm gonna try putting it out while we're on. Okay, go ahead, buy it. If it's available, please do buy it before it gets sold out. Not sure a lot of people even know about him. So if you're reading him, means you're in the top brackets. Yeah, go ahead, put in that poll because I want to see what happens to that. That's kind of important. At the end of the call, I'm going to end it and then see what exactly have we reached up to. This is more of an abrupt live AMA. Whatever you guys have, go ahead, ask, or just chill in the background, whatever you want. And make sure to subscribe as well. I'm just going to try seeing what's the whole story with. Is inverting the pole a good trade? Yeah, that's what I said. Most likely that's what I'm going to do. So, and I'm just waiting. That's why I want everyone to just keep voting, and then I'm going to take the other side of it. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it'll be fun. Hmm. Oh, enjoy the view. See you, man. Join tomorrow's live call, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for the questions. Yeah, tomorrow we will speak a lot about NVIDIA. That's pretty much likely. So it'll be quite a move. So that should be fun. I don't even know what episode we are on. I think we're on the episode 11. Is that what we're at? Yeah. So tomorrow's going to be 12. Cool. Fascinating. 7 votes and 86%. Yeah. 7. People still think NVIDIA is going to kill it. Oh, let's see if we can get to the 100 subs number. That'll be fun. Okay, let's see. Go ahead. Put in your comment, put in your poll, put in your subscribe. I want to see what happens. Let's see how many people are actually do that. 86% still say NVIDIA would be higher. Hmm. Oh yeah, I saw that. That's true. Stocks up though. That's true. And especially the fact that Box is able to come up with those numbers as well. Not sure how much they can grow under that, under the business model that they have, but it's looking pretty cool. Hey, Paro, nice to see you again. Welcome back to the second life for you. Yeah, thanks for joining in. But yeah, coming back to wage freedom, yeah, Box is currently looking pretty good. Adam's done a good job when it comes to the news side of things. Let me see what the stock is up currently. And it was about 11% when we started this tool. Yeah, we're 11.48%. That's still flying high. No reason it shouldn't. Good numbers, good outlook, good growth. Plus good market backdrop as well for prices to head higher. So yeah, AI first. They're all leading onto that bandwagon at this moment. It gives them a higher multiple. So I'm guessing they're all trying their luck on it. Maybe if it can make a 4 times sales company or 10 times sales, that will make sure that Box, which is a $4.5 billion company, would be valued at 10 billion with the same sales. Okay, okay, Langston. What are we at? 8 votes already? Okay, that's it. Maybe if we get 10, should we stop it? Should we keep it on? Not sure. Maybe we stop it. 10 seems a good number. Hmm. Let me see. That's true. That's something that I was also thinking about. But Box, I think in the longer term should do well. I'm just not sure if it will be one of the best gamers. Again, that being said, thanks for joining in Wage Trading. Look forward to you joining in next time as well. Take care. Have a good one. Just make sure you subscribe and put in the poll. We're going to close the poll pretty soon. It's about 4:20 p.m. is the Nvidia earnings. So keep that in mind. That is going to move like crazy. Even if it doesn't, they're expecting a 7% move and it turns out to be a dud, like a 2%. Who knows? Yeah, maybe two more votes and then we'll call it a day. Let's see how fast we get there. Hmm. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any stocks. I'm just doing some research on a AI insurance company at the moment. But I'm game for everything in town. Trust me. John the driver's the man. Absolutely the man. Go ahead, John. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me your favorite stock though. Let's do that. Always welcome, bro. California. This is- You're up early, man. Are you getting ready for the whole stock market thing today, John? Are you trading Nvidia? Yeah, I think Nvidia is going to head higher itself. Just the outlook makes me feel that way. Oh, nice. I'm glad I could join you on that trip now. Back to Cali. No bad. How's the weather there though? Wouldn't the summer have already set in pretty much? Not sure. Let me know. I would pretty much. I'm kind of a weather person. Like I like knowing the place and the weather beforehand. Yeah. Let me know. Sure. Yeah, I mean it says 62 Fahrenheit. So that's not bad. That's pretty okay. But I think it's gonna start getting warmer. Well, good morning, you too, brother. Take care of yourself and have a safe trip back. Join into the stream tomorrow while you're on your way. That should be fun. Cheers, mate. Have a good night. You too, brother. You too. Safe travels. Yeah, two more votes and I'm out of here. Guys, don't keep me here. Just finish that goddamn vote. Hmm. Anyways, guys, I'm pretty hungry now. So let me end the poll. Let's see what happens. Okay. Enjoy, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. See ya. Have a good night.